What is the best paying LLC affiliate program in 2026 is a serious question, especially if you're creating content in the business, entrepreneurship, or making money online space. Now, if you've been around affiliate marketing for a while, you already know most programs just don't pay enough to really move the needle. And honestly, that's where most people get stuck. They're pushing offers that pay $10 here, $20 there, and they're wondering why the income never scales. So when you hear about an LLC affiliate program paying up to $250 per signup, the obvious reaction is, okay, what's the catch? Now in this video, I'm going to break down the Tailor Brands affiliate program in 2026, how it works, how much it actually pays, how it converts, and whether it really deserves to be called the best paying LLC affiliate program right now. And if by the end you decide this is something you want to plug into, I put my direct affiliate sign up link in the description and pinned comment below. Now here's the thing most affiliate marketers completely overlook. When someone searches for a random product review, they're curious. But when someone searches how to start an LLC, they're committed. They're not casually browsing, they're about to take action. And so because forming an LLC is a required step for serious entrepreneurs, the companies in this space can afford to pay much higher commissions. That's the key difference. You're not selling something optional. You're aligning yourself with the necessary business step, and that kind of intent dramatically increases conversion potential. Now, before we talk about payouts, you need to understand what Tailor Brands actually does. So Tailor Brands helps people form LLCs and build out the foundation of their business. That includes filing formation documents, acting as a registered agent, generating operating agreements, helping with an EIN filing, and even offering branding tools like logos and websites. And because they're solving a real high value problem, their average customer value is significantly higher than most affiliate niches, which is exactly why the commission structure is so strong. Now let's talk numbers, because that's what you're really here for. So the Tailor Brands affiliate program pays up to $250 per confirmed LLC formation. The Light plan pays $50 per signup, the Essential plan pays $150 per signup, and the Elite plan pays $250 per signup. Now here's where this gets interesting. You don't need massive traffic to make this meaningful. If you're referred just 4 Elite plan customers in a month, that's $1,000. And if you're consistently ranking for high intent keywords like how to start an LLC or form an LLC online, those conversions can stack up faster than you think. Because again, you're targeting people who are already in decision mode. Now here's something important. This works because of timing. When someone is researching LLC formation, they're usually comparing two things. Do I file this myself or do I use a service? So if your content positions Tailor Brands as a simpler, more streamlined option, the conversion feels natural. You're not interrupting their journey, you're guiding it. And so that's why this affiliate program fits so well into videos like how to start an LLC in 2026, LLC versus sole proprietorship. Do I need an LLC for my side hustle? How to form an LLC without a lawyer? Because the intent is already there. Now, I've been promoting Tailor Brands for a while, and the reason is simple. The payouts are strong, the niche has real demand, and the offer fits naturally into business-focused content, and honestly, I'm not interested in random affiliate offers that don't align with what my audience actually needs. So when I recommend something, it's because it makes strategic sense long-term. And because I've been in this space consistently, I understand what type of content converts and how to structure it without sounding pushy. That experience matters. Now, is it the absolute highest payout in existence? Maybe not in some obscure private deal somewhere, but in terms of accessible, scalable, mainstream affiliate programs in the LLC niche, this is easily one of the strongest options available in 2026. And because Tailor Brands has real brand recognition in the business formation space, it doesn't feel risky or unknown to your audience. And that trust factor directly impacts conversion rates. Now, this is ideal if you create content around entrepreneurship, freelancing, e-commerce, consulting, side hustles, tax advice, or small business finance. Because at some point, your audience needs to formalize their business. So instead of just explaining the steps and sending them to a government website, you can offer a streamlined solution and monetize that traffic properly. And so that's where that leverage really shows up. Now, yes, you could technically go find their affiliate page yourself, but if you're going to join, use my link in the description or pinned comment. Because I've been promoting Tailor Brands consistently, I understand how their affiliate side works, what converts best, and how to position content properly in this niche. So instead of going in blind, you're plugging into something that's already been tested. And if you're serious about building in the LLC niche long-term, that small advantage compounds. So is Tailor Brands the best paying LLC affiliate program in 2026? Now, in terms of payout potential, niche strength, and realistic conversion opportunity, it's absolutely at the top tier. You're combining high intent traffic with high commissions, and that combination is where affiliate marketing becomes scalable instead of exhausting. So if you want to join the Tailor Brands affiliate program and start earning up to $250 per signup, use my affiliate sign up link in the description or pinned comment below. And if this breakdown helped you see the bigger picture here, give the video a thumbs up so more creators can find it. And of course, subscribe for more strategies around affiliate marketing, business content, and building scalable income streams in 2026. I'll see you in the next video.